The Sony 50 to 150 2.0 is right here. Here in this box. Dude, I'm a little scared because it's... We gotta open this up. You ready? Dude, how do you open a package like this? And this is more exciting than Christmas, honestly. Because you already know what's in there, right?
Exactly.
You don't believe that it really is. It's like, no, they really can't make that lens. They can't make that lens. No, they did. 2.0?
Oh, man.
It even smells exciting. Lens Rentals. Bless you. Thank you, my friends. Hey, shall we?
We shall.
Can we? Dude, I'm shaking. You seen that? That's like for real, man. Okay, here we go.
In the case.
Number two. I'm gonna enjoy it a second time. Okay. That is light.
Wow.
That is amazing. Oh.
And it has my favorite,
Yes, the clickable lock-in aperture
my
ring.
favorite.
Yes. Oh.
I geek out about
Look
that.
at that. The size of this body here, to get that 2.0 is just substantial. It's beautiful, but it's light. In fact, we need to get some other lenses up here just to show a comparison. Size-wise, that is gorgeous.
Okay.
Let's put this lens hood on here too, just so we get the maximum effect of that. Oh, look at that. Oh, but check out the width, the diameter of that body compared to the 2 to 600. Get that 2.0 is just, oh. Can we put it on the camera now? Can we start shooting with it?
Yeah. How would you use this lens?
Okay, so I love creative photography, portraiture, architectural, stuff like that, but I'd like to get into more details. Portraiture is probably where I would go with this thing, the 2.0 with that, just to create that shallow depth of field and be able to go up to 150. Oh, 50 to 150, so many sweet spots exist in that focal range.
Especially at f2.
At f2. Yeah, it's crazy. And to be zoom. Can't wait to see the resolution on this thing. Look at that. Read that right there.
Oh, yep, there it is.
This is such a light lens.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Does it make me look good?
It does.
Dude, when you look at that, it's so three-dimensional. You can reach in and grab it. Oh. Oh.
Would you buy this lens?
How can you not? Seriously, look at that. Oh. The depth and texture and everything that's just captured in that, it's three-dimensional. You just grab it. It's gonna be a hard conversation with the wife tonight. Number one is the size. The diameter is bigger than I expected. I thought it was gonna be something closer to maybe in between the 70 to 200 and the 2 to 600. But it is sizable in the barrel. But with that, the weight of it blows you away. So manageable. I could carry that all day. No issues at all. But probably even more important is just the quality of what you can shoot with that. In the range 50 to 150 at f2 consistent through that. The footage on it is mind-blowing. And we've only just been in the studio. Wait till you get this in other locations too. Sports, indoor stuff. Where do you stop with this thing?
Yeah, like basketball, gymnastics.
Basketball. Oh my goodness, indoor sports.
It's gonna kill it.
Yeah, it'd be killer. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Can I take it home, please?